This was my life, doing nothing every day, wasting hours, and calling it rest.
It wasn't easy, not even close. Every step felt painful.
One day, I saw the truth. I wasn't tired! I was undisciplined!
These fitness AI animated videos are going extremely viral in 2026. And not only that, channels in this niche are generating very high RPM revenue. The RPM in this niche is around $7 to $10, which means serious money. So guys, as you saw in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create similar videos with almost no effort, using 100% free AI tools. So make sure you don't skip this video, because what I'm about to show you is very important. First of all, take a look at this channel. The channel name is Fasted Fit. Right now, this channel has around 44,000 subscribers with only 51 videos. And if we talk about estimated earnings, this channel is making at least around $4.9K per month, which is very high. Also, if you notice, their videos are not getting millions of views, but since they upload long-form content, many of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views, which clearly means they are making a lot of money with long videos. Now, if you observe their content, they mainly explain diet, how to stay consistent, why exercise feels difficult, and how to lose fat. Basically, they cover everything related to fitness, body improvement, and habits. According to Social Blade, this creator is earning at least $4,000 per month. And when you open the channel page, you can clearly see the estimated earning is around $4,400 per month, which is very high. The RPM shown here is around 4, but in reality, it is definitely higher. That's why they are earning this much. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. For you, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt. This master prompt includes everything: structure, scenes, and full setup. Simply copy this prompt. I'll provide the link in the description. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste it. As soon as you do that, it will instantly generate 10 image prompts for you. For example, bad habits, realization, decision, struggle, everything will be generated. So basically, all 10 scenes will be ready in front of you. Now, simply pick and use those prompts. Once you do that, your full 10-scene structure is completely ready. Now the next step is image generation. For image generation, I'll show you a free tool. The tool name is Flow AI. Flow AI is an all-in-one AI tool. It can generate both images and videos. First, open the tool and log in using any Gmail account. After logging in, click on Get Started, then go to Settings and create a new project. After creating the project, go into Settings and select your model and options, then click on the plus icon. Here you must upload a reference image. You can take this reference image from the same channel. After uploading the reference image, paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. Now simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start generating. Within a few seconds, you will get the output. Now repeat the same process for all scenes. Copy the prompt one by one, upload the reference image, and generate each image step by step. As you can see, all images are generating one by one. And finally, all images are ready. The results are perfect and look amazing. Now simply download all the images. Next step is video generation. This is the most important part. For that, I'll introduce another tool, but make sure you don't skip the video. So guys, as you just saw, we created the images using Flow AI, and it generated everything 100% free. Now in the next step, we are also going to generate videos 100% free using another AI tool. Kaye AI, I'll provide the link in the description. Simply open the link, go to the platform, and log in. Make sure you log in using your Google account. This is important because it may not work properly with temporary emails. After logging in, you will see the AI Video API section. Click on it. You'll find multiple models there. Previously, I showed you VO3, but this time, simply click on Grok Imagine. Once you click on Grok Imagine, the API interface will open. Even if you don't have credits, it will still generate a few videos for free. Also, later in the video, I'll show you how to fix errors if generation stops working, so don't skip. First, open the tool and log in. Then select Image to Video. Now, upload your first image. Once your image is uploaded, go to ChatGPT and copy your video prompt and voiceover. Then come back and paste it here. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution to 480. Now simply click on Generate. As you can see, the generation has started, and within 30 to 40 seconds, your video will be ready. Now keep in mind, these are free AI tools, so it's always better to use them early, because at any time, they might limit credits or stop free access. I've shared many free tools in my previous videos as well, and the main purpose of today's video was both the tool and this niche. This niche is growing very fast. Many creators are entering it, and most importantly, it is fully monetizable. This is not a non-monetizable content type. You can verify it yourself anywhere. Now, as you can see, our first video is already ready, and it looks very professional.
This was my life.
Let's preview it.
Doing
This is a
nothing
6-second
every day,
video,
wasting
which is
hours,
typical for free
calling
mode.
it rest.
And as you can see, the result is very powerful
This
and
was my
clean.
life.
The
Doing
animation looks
nothing every
amazing,
day,
and the
wasting
voiceover is
hours,
perfectly
and
synced
calling it
inside the
rest.
video. Everything looks smooth and professional. Now simply download this video. After downloading, repeat the same process. Go back to the upload section. Upload your next image. Then go to ChatGPT again. Copy the next video prompt and voiceover. Come back, paste it, and click Generate. Keep all settings the same. And again, within seconds, your next video will be ready. As you can see, the next generation has already started, and the results are again very clean, smooth and professional. The camera movement, zoom effects, and character actions all look great.
Normal.
This tool is fast, powerful, and all in one. Now, here's something important. If you try to upload another video and you get an error, that generation is not working, there is a simple fix. Just open a different browser, then log in again using another email. Once you log in, you will get fresh credits, and from there, you can continue generating your videos again without any issue. Now simply log in. Once you open the website, you'll see that I've already generated some videos, but let me explain the process again clearly. Go to the image section, upload your image. After uploading, scroll down to the prompt box, paste your prompt there, then select the aspect ratio as 9:16 and set the resolution to 480. Once everything is selected, simply click on Generate. Within just 20 to 30 seconds, your video will be ready. As you can see, this is the result. My next video has also been generated.
It wasn't easy.
It looks very
Not even
professional and
close.
clean.
Every
In the
step
same
felt
way,
painful.
I've generated multiple videos from here. If you face an error again, just switch your browser and continue generating videos from there. So guys, today you saw how we created both images and videos using completely free AI tools. Now the next step is editing. For editing, use CapCut. After editing your videos, create your YouTube channel, then start uploading consistently, either daily or every other day. Daily uploads are better if you want faster growth. When uploading, you can go for shorts, but in my opinion, long-form videos will work best for you. If you stay consistent, within 1 month you'll start seeing results. Your channel can get monetized, and you can start earning. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.